Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. But before we unbox, we're gonna cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Today's box is cardboard. It's kind of flimsy cardboard. It's white, red, blue, black, brown, orange, green, etc. It measures 12.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 3 inches. And when you shake it, sounds like that. You get some shaking asthma. And it looks like this. Oh, it's great! Oh, this is the French side. It's the LNH. Fuck the LNH. Let's get the NHL going. There you go. Official partner of the NHL. Tony, the Tiger. Kellogg's, Sunshine. So, do you think it is actually Frosted Flakes, or maybe it's just Corn Flakes in the wrong box? What do you think? Should we try for some unboxing asthma so all the Unboxabators can start whipping their Skippy and, you know, they want to listen, here it goes. Listen, wait. Listen. Ooh. Oh wait, look, we have some extra cardboard to fucking peel. Listen. Wow. Hey, look at that. There's a bag in a box. It's a bag in a box. And remember, this is an unboxing video. It's about the box. So, fuck the bag. Look, there's the box. The box is now empty. Fuck, eh? Who the fuck knew? But no, look. Those flakes. Oh, they do look kind of frosted. Yeah, they are frosted. It's not just corn flakes, eh? Oh well. So there you go. There's a bag to come out of the box. Let's put the bag back in the box. Back in box. And no prize. Not even anything to send away for, like, on the internet. Like nothing, no contest, nothing, eh? Kellogg's, what a bunch of fucking rip-off artists. Well, it has all your nutritional, or lack thereof, nutrition information. Well, oh well. There you go, bitches. Wasn't that a spectacular unboxing? Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos.